living in Minnesota, they dump a lot of salt and chemicals on the road to melt the snow and ice, and that gets trapped in numerous places on a vehicle. And what I've done for years is gotten out the garden hose and a sprayer and just gone around and sprayed up into every nook and cranny that I can possibly find and reach, and try and rinse sand and those chemicals out, because if you don't get them out, they're going to eat the metal. There's rust on this Tahoe here and back behind the back tire. So I'll show you how I go into that. And I'm wearing a rain suit because you're going to get wet. It's a nice day, but I just don't want to get all wet, and I want to get this done before winter. It's October already, and I'm going to be parking this soon, but here we go. Yeah, you get the general idea. And what I like to do is go around one side and try and get everything wet underneath there, let it set for a few minutes, and I'll just work my way all the way around the vehicle. And that soaking can be huge and loosen up that dirt and those chemicals, and then I'll come back, go all the way around and spray it again. So I basically spray the whole vehicle twice. But I've done that for a long time. My other vehicles, I've just purchased this one, and it's probably never been done, and the vehicles hold up really well. But be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below. Have a great day.